Amazon will sell you socks, cereal, and apparently a folding knife with a 6-inch blade. Today, we're counting down 10 cold steel weapons that look less like online shopping and more like props confiscated from a final boss. Stay to number 1 because the last blade makes the others look almost civilized. Quick reality check, these are not toys. Availability and carry laws vary by state and city. Verify your local rules, store them securely, and use them only for lawful collecting, training, or outdoor work. Number 10. Cold Steel Gladius Machete. The Romans conquered much of the known world with the Gladius. Cold Steel looked at that history and apparently thought, nice, but can it clear blackberry bushes? The Gladius Machete combines the unmistakable profile of a Roman short sword with inexpensive, weather-resistant machete construction. Its current specification uses an 18-inch 65mm carbon steel blade, measuring just 2.8 millimeters thick. That relatively thin stock helps keep the weight down to 27.2 ounces and allows the blade to move faster than its sword-like appearance suggests. The full-tank construction disappears beneath a high-impact polypropylene handle with a proper guard and rounded pommel. That means wet weather, mud, and rough outdoor use are far less worrying than they would be with a decorative wooden handle. Owners clearly understand the appeal. The Amazon listing carries more than 2,000 ratings, averaging roughly 4.3 stars. Just remember, this is fundamentally a rugged machete wearing Roman armor, not a historically accurate legionary sword. It is built for brush, branches, and unapologetically dramatic backyard ownership. Number 9. Royal Kukri Machete. The Royal Kukri looks as though someone bent a machete forward, gave it an attitude problem, and then sharpened the result. Unlike a traditional straight machete, the Kukri's forward curving profile places more material ahead of the hand. That helps the blade build chopping momentum without requiring the weight of a full-size axe. Cold Steel's version carries a 15.5-inch 65mm carbon steel blade, a black corrosion-resistant coating, and an overall length of 20.75 inches. At 21.2 ounces, it remains light enough for repeated clearing work. The polypropylene handle includes a guard to help stop the hand from sliding forward, while the Core X sheath keeps the rather enthusiastic edge covered during transport. Its biggest advantage is value. This is not a handcrafted Nepalese heirloom with ornate fittings. It is a working machete designed to meet vegetation and win the argument. Amazon's listing has accumulated more than 500 ratings at approximately 4.5 stars, suggesting buyers largely understand what they are getting. Lots of chopping ability without a collector-grade price. Number 8. Cold Steel Marauder 9. The Marauder is what happens when a classic Bowie knife starts taking protein powder. Its 9-inch blade is unusually wide, with a continuously curved edge, broad levels, and an aggressive clip point. The listed version uses Japanese AUS 8A stainless steel with a stone-washed finish. It measures 14.125 inches overall, weighs 12.4 ounces, and carries a substantial 4.7mm blade. That sounds heavy, yet the deep blade profile creates more visual mass than actual burden. The Cray X handle offers a tacky, shock-absorbing grip, while the molded Secure X sheath can attach a belt or a pack. Online feedback is mostly positive but refreshingly imperfect. Knife Center customers rated around 4.5 stars and ability to take a sharp edge. One owner criticized the steep factory grind, saying it behaved more like a chopper than a fine slicer. That criticism makes sense. The Marauder is not pretending to be a delicate fillet knife. It is a camp knife with the subtlety of a monster truck. Number 7. Mayhem Blackout S35VN. Calling the Mayhem a pocket knife is technically correct in the same way a limousine is technically a car. This limited Blackout model folds a 6-inch modified clip-point blade into a massive 13-inch package. The blade uses CPM S35VN stainless steel, a premium material valued for its balance of edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. It is 4 millimeters thick and finished in black. The standout feature is Cold Steel's Atlas lock. Instead of a conventional liner or frame lock, the mechanism uses a sliding lock bar positioned along the spine. It is fully ambidextrous and designed to provide secure lockup despite the blade's enormous leverage. The Amazon listing identifies this as a limited edition and claims only 1,000 were produced. Early feedback is glowing, but the sample is tiny, only a handful of ratings when researched, so do not confuse scarcity with universal perfection. Its biggest weakness is also its selling point. This is far too large for discreet everyday carry in many jurisdictions, but as a mechanical spectacle, it may be the closest thing to folding a short sword into your jeans. Number 6. Demco Java Push Dagger. Now we leave Amazon briefly because Knife Center currently lists something even stranger, a push dagger with a 6-inch wavy blade. Designed with knife maker Andrew Demko, the Java uses a double-edged Chris-style blade made from SK5 high-carbon steel. The black powder coating adds corrosion protection, while the hollow grind creates an aggressive cutting geometry. Overall length is just 8.5 to 8.75 inches, yet nearly 6 of those inches are blade. The black linen micarta handle sits perpendicular to the blade. That push dagger configuration changes how the tool rests in the hand, offering considerable retention in an extremely compact package. It also makes the Java subject to stricter laws than an ordinary utility knife in many locations. At approximately 10 ounces, this is not a lightweight novelty. It includes a molded Secure X-style sheath, although the Knife Center listing had no customer reviews when checked. So the design is fascinating, but long-term owner consensus has not yet arrived. In other words, it looks like a fantasy villain's letter opener, and legally, you should treat it with considerably more respect than one. Number 5. Cold Steel Cavalere Rapier. Most of this list relies on width and chopping power. The Cavalere Rapier takes the opposite approach. Long, narrow, fast, and pointy enough to make furniture nervous. Cold Steel based it on the transitional rapiers that appear as heavier Renaissance weapons, gradually evolved toward lighter small swords. Its double-edged 1055 carbon steel blade measures 36 inches, while the complete sword stretches 44.25 inches and weighs 38.4 ounces. The elaborate tempered steel guard includes a pierced shell, rings, quillons, and a knuckle bow. These are not merely decorative. They provide substantial hand coverage, while the wire-wrapped grip and counterbalanced pommel keep the sword lively. Amazon reviewers give it roughly 4.2 stars, although the total review count is modest. The design's great strength is responsiveness. It carries far less forward authority than the Chinese war sword coming later, but it changes direction more willingly. This is the gentleman of the countdown, elegant, historically inspired, and still arriving in a box that your delivery driver probably assumed contained curtain rods. Number 4. Warcraft Tanto 4034 SSXL. At some point, a 12-inch blade stops feeling like a knife and begins demanding diplomatic recognition as a sword. The Warcraft Tanto XL is 17 inches overall, with a 12-inch blade made from 4034 stainless steel. Blade thickness is 5 mm, and the full tang is enclosed by glass-enforced nylon handle scales. Cold Steel shapes the tip around the reinforced American Tanto concept, using a primary edge and sharply angled secondary bevel. That geometry creates a thick, sturdy point, while the curved main edge provides more useful cutting surface than the ruler-straight Tantos found on many tactical knives. A Secure X sheath is included. The Amazon page combines multiple Warcraft sizes under one listing and shows approximately 4.7 stars from more than 100 ratings. That score is encouraging, but it should not be interpreted as 100 reviews specifically for the 12-inch XL. The 4034 steel is also worth understanding. It is easier to maintain and generally less expensive than premium CPM 3V or Sanmai options, but it will not offer the same high-end edge retention. What it does provide is enormous visual impact without the enormous premium level bill. Number 3. Cold Steel Dragonfly Katana. The Dragonfly Katana is not subtle. Even its handle looks as though it dressed for an awards ceremony. Cold Steel built the Dragonfly series with thicker, wider, and heavier dimensions than many historically proportioned Japanese swords. This katana uses a deeply curved, hand-polished 29.25-inch blade of 1055 carbon steel. Overall length is 40.75 inches, blade thickness is 5/16 of an inch, and weight is 39.4 ounces. The steel green silk wrap sits over black-gray skin, with brass manuki and iron fittings decorated in dragonfly motif. A black lacquered wooden scabbard completes the presentation. That blade-forward construction gives the Dragonfly considerable cutting momentum, but it may feel heavy to users accustomed to lighter production katanas. Amazon feedback averages about 4 stars from 55 ratings, respectable, though less consistent than the simpler machetes on this list. Enthusiast discussions also contain both delighted owners and complaints about uneven factory fit and finish, so inspect it carefully upon arrival. It is designed as a functional production sword, but it is still a mass-produced item, not a hand-forged family treasure discovered beneath a dojo. Number 2. Cold Steel Trailmaster 9.5. The Trailmaster does not need spikes, curves, or fantasy styling. It simply looks like a Bowie knife that has been doing hard labor since 1987. The Amazon model selected here uses a 9.5-inch VG1 Sanmai 3 blade. Sanmai construction sandwiches a harder cutting core between tougher outer layers, combining edge performance with additional resilience. The blade is an extraordinary 8 mm thick, more than 3 times the stock thickness of many working machetes. Overall length is 14.625 inches, weight is 18 ounces, and the Cray X handle provides a secure grip even when conditions become wet. Cold Steel includes a Secure X sheath. Amazon's listing shows roughly 4.3 stars across about 200 ratings. Owners often value the Trailmaster because it balances chopping ability with a recognizable, practical Bowie profile. The trade-off is bulk. 18 ounces and an 8mm spine do not disappear on a belt. This is less a general-purpose knife than a portable slab of laminate steel, and that sentence is probably exactly why some people are already reaching for their credit cards. Number 1. Cold Steel Chinese War Sword. Number 1 is not currently verified through Amazon, but Knife Center still lists it, and frankly, no ordinary shipping box could make this thing seem normal. The Chinese War Sword measures 37.75 inches overall and weighs approximately 59 ounces. Its enormous 23.25-inch blade is forged from 1060 carbon steel and measures 7/32 of an inch thick. The long cord-wrapped handle provides room for 2 hands, while the S-shaped guard and steel ring pommel give it the unmistakable profile of a historical Chinese Dadao-style weapon. A heavy leather scabbard is included. Despite its size, the long handle helps the user manage the forward-biased blade, but do not mistake manageable for light. At roughly 3.7 pounds, this is a committed two-handed chopper that demands space, control, and proper training. Knife Center customers average around 4 stars. Praise centers on its imposing construction and functional sharpness, while the weight and historical interpretation make it far more specialized than a normal sword. It is part saber, part cleaver, and entirely incapable of entering a room quietly. Which Cold Steel creation belongs in your collection, and which one is simply too much? Subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without for more outrageous weapons, honest details, and no-nonsense countdowns.